this and then turn on like this. That doesn't make any logical sense. The only thing that makes sense is that it's evaporating out, or you rehydrate it, and we find out, and let's just taste it.
Whoa, yes.
Wow, it's really tangy. That is really good and delicious. This is so much better. I would rather have this over that pomegranate molasses that's sold at the store. Whatever they're doing with that, they don't know what they're doing. Because, like, come on, look at that color. And it's so fresh. There's citric acid to it as well. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought this was gonna be exactly like pomegranate molasses. I was proven wrong. Now the salads. Huh. That really sucks. It's quite clear that all the flavors are there. We need the slides. We need to blacken this. Turn this into blackened food. This will go great.